Hi friends, welcome to your channel Tilak Achievers. Today topic is find the direct common tangent of given two circles. Before going to topic, small request. Up to now, who are not subscribed, please subscribe. So explain this one. So here, problem is he gives us two circles. Those are S1 and S2. So we try to find out the equation of the pair of direct common tangent of a circle. So here only gives us one hint. Pair means we get here 2. So first of all we find the centers and radius. For center formula here minus z minus f. For radius formula square root of g square plus f square minus c. By using this, we find out centers and radius. Now C1. C1 is equal to here minus c minus f. Here this is 2g, this is 2f. Here also 2g, 2f. 2g value 22. G value 22 by 2, 11. Minus c value minus 11. Here also 2f value minus 4. 2f equal to minus 4. F equal to minus 4 by 2, minus 2. But we need minus f. So here 2. So here minus 11, 2. Similarly, C2. C2 equal to here 2z value minus 22, 2z minus 22, g minus 22 by 2, minus 11, but we need minus z, that means 11. 11 comma, here 2f equal to 4, f equal to minus f minus 2, minus 2. Now we get C1, C2. Next we find out R1. R1 is equal to here square root of g square plus f square minus c. G square means 11 square. 11 square 121. 121 plus square root there. 121 plus here f square. F square means 2 square. 2 square means 4 plus 4. Next here minus c. Minus c means already here minus 100 there. Minus c means it becomes 2 plus 100. So here 121 plus 4, 125. 125 plus 100, 225. Square root of 225, that equals 50. So R1 50. Similarly R2 square root of g square 11 square 121 plus f square. F square means 2 square 4 minus c minus 100, that is equal to 121 plus 4 125. 125 minus 100 25. 25 value 5 only. R2 5. Now we find out C1 C2 R1 and R2. So here we find here C1 C2. C1 C2 means distance between any two points. Already we know the formula. What is that? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Already you know this formula in the 10th class. Distance between any two points. So here x2 minus x1. That means suppose this is x2, this is x1. 11 minus or minus 11. That means 11 plus 11. Square root of 11 minus or minus 11 means plus 11 whole square plus y2 minus y1. That means minus 2 y2 minus y1 whole square. 11 plus 11 22. 22 square 484. So here we get here square root of 484 plus minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 square 16. So we get here square root of 500. So here we get 500. For 500 can be written as 5 into 100. 100 means square root 10. 10 root 5. It becomes to 10 root 5. Root 5 value 2.236. So here 10 into 2.236, that means 10 to the 22.36. Now we find out R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 equal to 15 plus 5, that equal to 20. Clearly know that C1 C2 22, R1 plus R2 20. That means 22.36 20. This is more. So C1 C2 greater than R1 plus R2. So two circles are not touch each other like this. Two circles are not touch each other. Here keep C1. Here C2. C1 point minus 11 comma 2. Minus 11 comma 2. Here 11 comma minus 2. R1 also 50. Here 5. R2 5. Minus 11 comma 2. I take here. These values are made for us. So here C1 minus 11 comma 2, C2 11 comma minus 2, R1 15, R2 5. So here two circles are not touch each other. Now we find out the what do you want? Find the equation of pair of direct common tangent. DCT means direct common tangents. Direct common tangents means, first of all, tangent means, so a chord touch the circle is called tangent. Okay, here suppose a chord there, the chord on the circle is called tangent. Direct common tangent means, if you draw a tangent, here two circles are same side only. This is called direct common tangent. Suppose two circles are opposite side, that means one circle here, one circle here. That means transfer common tangent. Two circles are same side only. This is called direct common tangent. Here also draw one direct common tangent. Those are called direct common tangent. Here, join this point. Clearly, we know that here R1 is to R2 divide C1 C2 in the ratio externally. Take this point P of x1 y1. Here touch externally. So R1 is to R2 divides C1 C2 externally. Get P. You know that formula also. What is that formula? mx2 minus nx1. mx2 P equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. Here m by 2 minus m by 1 by m minus n. We find out these points. So here mx2. M is what? Here R1 is to R2. R1 is to R2. 15 is to 5 ones, 5 threes. We get here 3 is to 1. We get here 3 is to 1. So take this is M, take this is N. mx2. mx2 means 3 11 are 33. Here minus nx1. Already here minus there. 11 jar minus 11. Minus 11 into minus plus 11. 11 by m minus n. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Here also m by 2. M means 3, y2 means 2. 3 2s are here minus 6, minus 6, 1 minus 2. Minus 6 minus 2. By using this formula get here minus 6 minus 2 by m minus n. 3 minus 1. One time observe here m by 2. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus n by 1. 1 into 2 2 by m minus n. So you get here 44 by 2. That only 33 plus 11 44. 44 by 2 comma minus 8 by 2. So 2 ones, 2 22s, 2 ones, 2 4s. 22 comma minus 4. This point 22 comma minus 4. So we get this point. Now we got here point dot also. Now we find the equation of direct common tangent. Suppose if you take that equation slope L, slope of tangent is equal to m. So formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here y minus y1 value. Here already minus 4 there, minus to minus plus 4 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1 value 22. So here y plus 4 is equal to mx minus 22m. We take that side mx minus y minus 22m minus 4 equal to 0. We got this point. We got this line. This is called equation of direct common tangent. Here we need to find the value of m. We need to find the value of m. So we use one condition. What is that? Here one time observe here. This is tangent. Suppose we try to find out distance between center to tangent. This is center. This is tangent. Take this is d. D equal to radius. So here distance between center to tangent d equal to r. We use this formula. So here what is the formula? The distance between any point to line square root of ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. This is the distance between any point to line. So we take x1, y1, this centers. Here we need this equation also. I write here mx minus y minus 22m minus 4 equal to 0. Now we find the distance between center to the tangent. So that is mx. In the place of x we take 11. C to that only 11. So 11m minus y value already here minus 2 there, minus to minus plus 2. Next here minus 22m minus 22m minus 4 by square root of a square plus b square means a means m square plus b square means here 1. This is equal to radius. Here radius how much? 5 only. Second radius r to 5 only. 5. So here 11m minus 22m. We get here minus 11m minus 11m. Next here 2 minus 4 minus 2 is equal to, we take that side 5 of square root of m square plus 1. Squaring on both sides, we get here 11m whole square 121 m square. 2 square means 4, 2ab plus 2ab. 2 2 are 4, 4 11 are 44. M equal to, here also 5 square means 25. M square plus 1. So here 25m square plus 25 on the 25. So these two terms bring this side. Here 121 m square plus 4 plus 44 m minus 25 m square minus 25 is equal to 0. 121 minus 25. Here we got here 11 minus 5, 6. 1 left. Next here 11 minus 2, 9. 96 m square. Half root a m term here plus 44 there plus 44 m. Next here plus 4 minus 25. We got here minus 21 equal to 0. Now we try to find out the factors. Now factors. Here 96 m square plus 44 m minus 21 equal to 0. 96 into minus 21, that means we get here 96 into 21, middle 44 there. Product we have minus symbol, that means plus into minus, subtraction. We do subtract and get here 44. 96 can be written as 12 8 jar. 12 into 8. 21 7 3 jar. 12 also written as 4 3s. Here 8 7 3. Here 3 8 jar 24. 24 3 jar 72. 4 7 jar 28. Suppose if you do subtraction, you get 44 only, plus 44. That means here minus 72 plus 28. So 96 m square minus, sorry here plus there, so plus 72 m minus 28 m minus 21 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So here and here we take some common numbers. What is that? If you take 12 table, 12 m, 12 8 jar 96, 8 m minus 12 6 jar. Again here 2 common there. From 8 and 6, 2 there. That means 12 2 jar 24 common. We take here 24 common. So 24 means 24 4 ja 96. 24 4 ja 96. 4m plus 24 3 ja 3. Here and here 7 common. Minus 7. 7 4 ja 4m minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. So here and here 4m plus 3 common there. 4m plus 3. 4m plus 3. Here 24m minus 7 equal to 0. So here 4m plus 3 equal to 0. Four m plus 3 equal to 0 or 24m minus 7 equal to 0. That means here m equal to plus 3 becomes to minus 3 by 4 or m equal to minus becomes to plus 7 by 21 into becomes to by 24. So we got here m equal to minus 3 by 4, m equal to 7 by 24. So here two cases are formed. Finally, what is the direct common tangent? Here mx minus y minus 22m minus 4 equal to 0. We take that only. So finally, case 1, m equal to minus 3 by 4. So here mx means first you take the equation mx minus y minus 22m minus 4 equal to 0. M value minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4x minus y minus 22 into minus 3 by 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So here let us cancel here 4 minus 1 by 4. We get here 3x. Here minus cancelled by 4 not there means 4 by 4. We got here 4y plus 4y. Here 4 cancelled. That means minus also cancelled. 1 minus remaining 22 3 is 66 minus 66. Here by 4 not there. That means 4 cancel means 16 remains plus 16. Why? Because minus also cancelled is equal to 0. So here 3x plus 4y minus here we got here 50 equal to 0. This is the one solution. Other is case 2. Suppose case 2 m equal to 7 by 24. M equal to 7 by 24. So this is the case 2. Here also mx, m means 7 by 24. 7 by 24 x minus y minus 22 into m value 7 by 24. 7 by 24 minus 4 equal to 0. Here also let us try to cancel 1 by 24. Here 7x remaining. 7x minus here 1 by 24 cancel means 24 by 24. 24 cancel. That means minus 24y. Here 24 cancel minus 22 into 7. 7 2 ja 14. 7 2 ja 14 plus 1 15. Here 24 another means 24 by 24. This 24 cancel. 24 4 ja 96 minus 96 is equal to 0. So 7x minus 24y minus 154 minus 96. 10, 15, 2 minus 250 equal to 0. So this is the direct equation of direct common tangent of given two circles. I hope that all of you like this. Thanks for watching it.